The dynamics of the gender play out in ways that it is a little more difficult being a woman. तुमने अपनी शक्ल देखी है, हालत देखी है, तुम इतनी मोटी हो, तुमको क्या काम मिलेगा? हीरोइन बनना है ना तो जाओ पतली होके आओ. There were 100 comments, okay, which said कि ये तो बुड्ढी लगने लग गई है, ये तो मोटी हो गई है, देखो कितनी बुड्ढी. Hundreds. I swear to you.
Film industry is a high pressure job. So the stress and the pressure never ends. And struggle also never ends.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Girl Club of Bollywood. And today I'm excited because I'm virtually connecting with two women who belong to the gang of Bollywood. So I want to know from you, Babita, how women can break into Bollywood, whether they want to get into writing, direction, whether they want to get into anything, because a lot of, I think, young women who are watching this interview would want to know from you, who's an insider and who's doing this.
It takes a lot of time and it takes a lot of hard work. There is no substitute for these two things. You'll have to be at it. You might get a lot of denial initially, but if you're at it and if you really want to do it, you will get time and you will get your breakthroughs. It's not only me, I've seen a lot of women who entered the industry with me and everybody is well established now. I would just like to say that don't be scared. And lately, our industry has been facing a lot of backlash. So don't get discouraged. It's not true at all. We are not such bad people. The industry is full of all kind of people. So if you really want to make a career in Hindi film industry, welcome. You must try.
Now, Ishita, coming to you as an actress, what is the kind of one insight that you would like to give them?
I definitely want to share one thing, which is that, right now we're talking about the film industry as such, but even otherwise, being a woman and doing anything is just the dynamics of the gender play out in ways that it is a little more difficult being a woman.
Right.
And I want to share this small story which happened. I don't know if I told Babita. A couple of days ago, there was a child. So all these little girls from Mukamar keep seeing my statuses and they keep messaging me. So this child wrote, "So Didi, are you in this film?" I said, "Yes." So she said, "What are you playing? Are you playing hero's girlfriend or hero's sister or something?" And I just, for a second, I was like, what do I tell her? So while that is accurate, just this whole idea that, the identity of a woman is always tied down to who she cares for or who she nurtures or who is the hero and who is she. Thankfully, that trend has also changed recently, but I think we still have a very, very long way to go.
Can you pinpoint any struggle from your starting phase when you started out?
Film industry is a high pressure job.
Yeah.
Each and every department works under a lot of stress. So the stress and the pressure never ends. And struggle also never ends.
I just think acting is a profession, okay? People do jobs and like that, acting is one of those jobs. You have to take everything in your stride. Any freelancer, so actors are technically freelancers. You have to move along with the stride and know कि हाँ आज ये हो रहा है, कल ये जरूरी नहीं है ऐसे हो, परसों कुछ और होगा. So anyway, you need to learn to navigate those highs and lows. So I really don't attach myself to, okay, now I've arrived and then tomorrow, oh God, now I'm nowhere in the scene. I don't think like that. Otherwise, so बहुत depression हो जाएगा. There have been multiple struggles. I just remembered, just as you spoke, I think I had killed it in my memory. This also nobody knows. When I was, I think 15 or I started working as a child actor, when I was 13, doing shows like Shakalaka Boom Boom and all. So at that time, there was this one casting director or somebody, he had called me to his office. Okay, and I was barely in 9th standard, 10th standard or something, and he said, "Acha audition de do ye wo." Then he suddenly says कि तुमने अपनी शक्ल देखी है, तुमने अपनी हालत देखी है, तुम इतनी मोटी हो, तुमको क्या काम मिलेगा? हीरोइन बनना है ना तो जाओ पतली होके आओ. And imagine I was a little kid, and before that I'd met with an accident. I was on steroids and all, so I was quite plump, I was quite overweight. उसके बाद तो I came home, I cried, and this happened with me when I was locked in a room. Okay, so my mom was not there. I used to eat 4 vada pavs a day, so you can't blame anybody else. But I was so shocked at it that how can somebody speak to you like that,
If you could, tell our audiences a little bit about the movie Flight and how different it is and what is it that they can expect from the movie?
For Indian audience, we can assure you that you have not seen something like this on Indian screens before. It's extremely action and thriller oriented. Best of the VFX, which are in house for Crazy Boys Entertainment, and our whole idea was to give something new and something different to the audience and bring them to the theaters because it is a theatrical experience.
Right.
So once you come in, you will realize that this is worth your money, and you are in the theaters to experience something that you have never experienced before on an Indian screen.
Because India is such a huge country, it's also a country with a lot of disparity. So a lot of the English speaking audience who are probably watching this show are people who consume a lot of global content. So I would put it this way, that this is at par with a lot of global content, but in a language that we've grown up on, and with a little bit of masala that we actually like. We like dal chawal. We've served dal chawal in a nice sushi platter.
Thank you so much, Ishita and Babita. It was wonderful chatting with you.